Hey Jackie, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this custom video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you guys can use right away that's going to help you with your online presence and get more of those organic leads. Now, it is important to mention that 70% of your organic leads are going to come from your website, so it is really important that your website be properly optimized. So as you can see, we are on your website. You have a decent looking website, fairly simple. You have separate pages for each of your services, which is exactly what you want. You also have a huge service area, so you have separate pages for your counties as well as your service areas within the counties, which is great. That's also what you want. You do want to make sure, I haven't had a chance to go through all of your 200 pages, but you do want to make sure that every single one of these service area pages has their own unique content. Otherwise, Google will consider it spam and will not index you. What I have noticed, though, is that all of these service area pages, while mentioning the town or city, are not actually using any keywords. So having all these pages without the keywords makes the pages useless. You want the keywords so that you can be found in every one of these communities. For each of the services that you offer in each of the communities you offer them in. Your home page, okay, we have a little bit of information here. We do have some content. When it comes to ranking a website, content is key. You need a lot of content and you need more content than your top competitors, but your content does need to be focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for the services you offer. They may not know your brand name, but they know the service that they need, and that's what they're going to be searching for. And so all of your content through all your 200 pages need to be focused on the local buyer intent keywords. Um, you do need a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage or more if your competitors have more. And you need 100 to 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. So all of the rest of your pages need to have their content built around those keywords and making sure that you have enough content. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index each one of these pages, looking for unique content and keywords so they can index you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. Now, this is one of your top competitors, Priority Restoration. I'm going to have to refresh because this is annoying. Don't ever do this. These type of pop-ups that don't go away, they don't even have a click to call. So they've just trapped me here and it's not even helping me call them. So it's actually hurting them. Most people will leave and go to another company. So, but this is one of your top companies, so we're going to attempt to look at their site. So, they have separate service area pages. They got area pages for locations, but they are missing those separate pages per location. But as you can notice, they are going after the local buyer intent keywords. So they are able to rank for those keywords. They do have some content, more buyer intent keywords, and they got a lot more content down here. So in order to beat this specific company, you're going to need a lot more content, and you're going to need to build. Oh, it does look like they have separate service area pages. So great. Yeah, so you're going to need to work on your content and keyword strategy, and you're going to need more content than your top competitor in every single one of your service locations. In addition to your content and keyword strategy, you're going to need to work on your search engine optimization. Oh, that's annoying. Don't do that. Don't ever do this. Okay. So this is Ahrefs, which tells us how your website is performing. As you can see, you have a 3.7 rating out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website, which is 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. You only get credit for one backlink per referring domain. So most of this is spam, or going to be considered spam by Google. Not all backlinks and referring domains are created equal. You need high authority ones that are directly rated to your industry, and they need to be do follows. Looking over here, out of your 150 domains, only 101 are do follows. So about 1/3 of your referring domains are not helping you. So those may need to be disavowed. Because none of your content has been built around keywords, you've only been indexed for 13, and you're getting 0 traffic to your website. Looking at your keywords, none of these are buyer intent. These are all keywords that were pulled from blog articles. So none of these are actually going to drive customers to you. Blog articles can be very powerful when done correctly, and routing the people viewing it to your specific services and contacting you for those services. Otherwise, the blog articles are giving you false traffic, although they don't seem to be bringing you any traffic anyways. Also looking at your keywords, you do not have any that are even close to the first page. They're 3+ pages back. So you do need a lot of work on those. Looking at your competitor, they also have a low score of a 2.6, and that's with 318 backlinks, which again shows you that not all backlinks are created equal. You do need high quality backlinks that are related to your industry. If we look at the referring domains, only 56%, so only about half of the referring domains they have that are actually helping them. So you need to beat those 55 referring domains. You need more domains, more backlinks, better quality ones than your competitors. But they have been indexed for over 2,000 keywords, and they are getting over 657 people to their website per month. So this just shows you the type of volume that you are really missing out on by not being well optimized. What a backlink actually is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to it. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant these websites are that are linking to you, the more authority and power Google's going to give you to help you to rank. But you do also need to have do follows, and you need to be linking them to not just your brand and your website, but your keywords. That way your keywords are able to rank to the first page of Google, and you're able to be found for your services in each of your service areas. And the last thing to mention is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not listed here in the top 3 in every one of your service areas for all of your relative keywords, then you're sending all of those leads to your competition. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there's a number of factors, but the most important are citations, which is going to be the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, etc. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number one across Google for all of your services and service areas with those relative keywords. We really hope you found this video to be helpful and that you'll be able to apply these tips so you can start getting more of that organic traffic. And I would love to get your feedback and what you thought of this video. Now, if you do need help getting any of it done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.